First, we will make a template from the blueprint.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural gold, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I'm saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not perpetuated, I'm never hesitating. But she's got me captivated, so the game I'm gonna play it, yeah.
This is the drawing of SG body, imprinted on wood. Using jigsaw, we will cut off the outside of the drawing.
Stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriend. You're all the type of shooting now.
After that, we will trim the edges with a file. This is the final result. Now we are ready to copy that at a mahogany solid wood.